Hi guys, it's me, Maddie, of course. Remember I'm always online. I say yes to make you. This is me right here, right there, who I'm making. Right there, I'm the tallest. That's Malik, right there, who I'm drawing, Pico, my penguin. I'm drawing her for a reason. That's my sister right there, boyfriend. She little as hell. And they're like, she like, okay. He just chilling. What the fuck? Okay. I made this for my fans. My fans. Those are shorts, as you can see. I do not need no one. See? Nothing. Don't worry about that shit. I took a picture, die, kill her. I need to stop doing talking stuff. Illegal. It's illegal. It's illegal. Please tell me, is this illegal or not? I mean, like, not trying to be rude. I'm just saying, is that legal? I mean, like, if kids are watching that, I mean, like, what if they say it's inappropriate for kids? I wanted to make a mod. I wanted to, but I don't think it will fit. I tried to make one, but I couldn't, so I had to use the picture. And yeah, I failed. Don't know about this one. Almost fucking god. No. I did not mean to. No. Hell no. I tried to make Miku. Yeah, that's a rat who bullied me. Felix? Oh my gosh. Gotta get some food. I think he's dying. Felix! You okay, man? You okay? Is he hungry? You hungry? Don't worry. He was starving from death. I gave him food. That's why you heard him meowing. But I think I heard it. That's why. This is the dog. It's my cousins. The twins. It's my twins. What the hell? Ooh. That can be me. This could be me, Ma. Oh my god. No way. Bro, I don't have that much hair. I'm girlfriend. Malik's supposed to be this. Lena's supposed to be this. Because she's small as hell. Like a boyfriend. Small as hell. And explain. Why is he, if he's 19, and if he's small, Then explain why his girlfriend's small too. I mean, like, how old is girlfriend? No one. How old is the husband? 90 years old. 19 years old. If Shy is 19, and if boyfriend's 19, and girlfriend, and explain how the hell are they the same size? If they're small as hell, as a bean, then explain. So if P goes, goddamn, 20, then how is he still small as boyfriend? If he's not, then explain why is his legs so dang short. I mean, like, make a leg for him, or make a big leg. You make him some weird legs. I mean, like, the creator made it. I'm not judging. If you guys think I'm judging, I am not gonna come to your house and kidnap you. Yes, they're not. I hope they're not shipping up.
Crypto.com Visa card.
Nope. Bye. What is this? Imagine someone puts this Florida. And I'm like, what the heck is that? And they're like, and she's like, it's my haircut. Wow, that's crazy. I don't even know what this is.
Okay, this is big. Ray's Shadow Legends made me a champion, and everyone can get it. Me, him, anyway.
I can't lie. Why are they? I mean, like, you're not trying to make people feel bad. I mean, like, why the hell do you make long videos? 2013. What's wrong, Felix? I don't know. What's wrong? I mean, like, I don't know. What the hell?
Hello, Mom.
Felix, what's wrong? You got sick? Are you sick? I don't know.
God, they were texting me.